Good morning, students. Welcome to Nelson's English School online classes. Now, today we will discuss lesson number 7, Introduction to HTML. In our previous classes, we have learned about the World Wide Web, means www. So, full form of www is World Wide Web, wide, WIDE. Okay, service of the internet, which is one of the largest pools of information and any imaginable topic. This huge collection of information is organized in the form of billions of web pages interlinked with each other through hyperlink. We used to access these web pages with the help of their URL. URL full form is Uniform Resource Locator from the various web servers spread across the world. Some of these web pages show the information in the form of text, graphics, animations, videos, etc. while others are interactive or dynamic web pages which help us to interact with the web servers. But the question that arises here is how these web pages are designed and how their information can be accessed anywhere. How hyperlink present on them help us to move to one page to another pages. So for that, here we are learning the language that is HTML, Hypertext Markup Language. Full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. Now we will discuss introduction of HTML. See here, HTML or a hypertext markup language is a special internet language which is used for designing the web pages. It provides certain markup codes which helps to describe the content and their format on the web page. Hypertext is the text that provides links to the other web page or web content, while markup means adding codes to the web page content so that the browser can understand how to the web page content needs to be shown on the screen. Although it is referred as a language, but unlike other computer language, it does not require to be converted into the machine language. It is a platform independent language and its pages can be opened on any platform. So let us learn how to use this language for designing web pages. See here, it is written platform independent. Means what is the meaning of platform independent? It will work on any operating system, like suppose you are working on DOS or Windows or any other platform, then also this language will be same only. Okay, means it is designed to run on multiple types of hardware and multiple operating system. Now our next topic is HTML tags. HTML tags are the special keywords enclosed between the angular brackets. It conveys a meaning to the web browser about how to display the content followed by them. Most of the tags are used in a pairs, start tag and end tag, with the content enclosed in between. So like you can see here in example, bold tag, B tag, that is a starting tag, in between whatever text that you have to write, and then after you have to close it with /B, that is ending tag. Here you can understand that HTML tags are not case sensitive and can be written using capital letter or a small letter, but to make them stand out of the rest of the tags, we can use capital letters to write that tags. The starting tag tells the browser from where the start and the formatting and from where it is end. The only difference between start and end tag is that in the end of the tag that keyword preceded by the forward slash. The HTML tags having a starting as well as ending tag are called container tags, or you can say non-empty tag. There are some tags which do not required to be closed with the ending tag, for example HR tag, BR tag. So that type of tags are known as empty tag. Now our next topic is tag attributes. For tag attributes, you can see here the tag attributes are special words used inside the opening tag to control the tag's behavior. There could be more than one attribute for a tag separated by a space in between. Here you can say tag C, tag name, attribute, attribute value, then again attribute is there and attribute value is there. So both are the attribute and that are the values with them. All the attributes values should be enclosed in the double quotes or letters A to Z and numbers with the hyphen, or you can say with the dot, or you can say period. Basic HTML tags. Our next topic is basic HTML tag. HTML document is made up of various tags which tells the browser how to display the web pages and its content. But there are some basic HTML tags used in all HTML documents to identify different parts of the document. These tags are, that is, the HTML tag, HTML enclosure / HTML head tag, title tag and body tag. Now HTML tag. HTML tag encloses the whole HTML document which marks the beginning and ending of the HTML document. It helps the browser to understand that document or a file is an HTML document. Next one is the head tag. Head tag is used to identify the document header. It is enclosed by the HTML tag and continue the information like title, style, document, description, etc. Next is title tag. Title tag appears within the head tag and information enclosed by the title tag that is displayed in a title bar. Whatever you will write in title, it will display in title bar. Body tag. Next one is body tag that appears after the head tag. All content of the web pages, text, graphics, links are enclosed in between body. Structure of the HTML document. The basic structure of the HTML page is here given. HTML and /HTML. Within that, all the tags arrange accordingly. Creating HTML document. We can use any text editor to compose an HTML document like Gedit, Writer, Notepad, etc. But as the content of the HTML document contain unformatted text, Gedit is the best option for the writing HTML code. To create HTML document using Gedit, first click on Ubuntu button on the launch bar, then type Gedit in the search bar, and then after click the text editor icon to open Gedit. Then after type HTML code in a Gedit window shown in the figure. To save HTML document, click on Save As option from File menu. Then after select the location where you want to save that file. Then after give the name to the document with .html or .htm extension. For example, mypage.html or mypage.htm. Then after click on save to save your document. Viewing HTML document. The save HTML document can be viewed in the web browser application like Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox, etc. To browse your HTML document, open web browser like Mozilla Firefox or anyone. Then after, click on Open File option, and then after, from the file menu, and select that file which you want to open it. Select the location where you save that file and click the file name. Then after, click on Open button. So your file will be displayed in the browser. Viewing source code. To see the HTML code of web page being currently displayed in the web browser window, right click anywhere on the web page and choose View Source Page option. A new tab opens in the browser window showing HTML codes of the current web page. Now next one is body tag. The body tag can be used to change the default page setting like its background, text color, left margin, top margin, etc. of the web page. By default, the web page is created on the plain white background using text in a black color. Okay, see now using colored background. To change the background color of the page, you can use bg color attributes in the body tag like body bg color equals to color name body bg color equals to, directly you can write yellow color, so your page will display with the yellow color. Using picture background. To add picture in the web page background, you can use the background attribute in the body tag like this, body background, and then file name of the where you save that image. Okay, so that file name, whatever your jpg file name, that file name you need to write. For that you need to write C colon my folder. Here option is given, means if you save your file on C drive, then photo2.jpg, that you need to write in a coding. And you can see as web page background, the body tag will be body background, and then that path and your background is displayed. Changing text color. To change default text color from the black to some other color, you can write body text equals to, then color name. Suppose your background is dark, then you can write white color, so your background you can see. Creating a heading. HTML offers H&N tag to define headings at various levels in HTML document. We can create 6 levels of headings by using the value of n in H&N tag, that is from 1 to 6. H1 is the largest heading level, you can see here, and then after H6 is used to describe the smallest heading level. In the syntax you can see, for example, H1 tag you have to write, and then after first level of heading and close it with /H1. Same for the H2, H3, H6. It will produce the following output. This output you can see on your screen, that is you can align attribute HN with the center tag. So your tags you can see in the center, first heading level, that one H1, that you applied by the center alignment. So you can see in the figure it is in a center. Now another one is that horizontal ruler, that is HR tag. This is an empty tag and is used to draw a horizontal line across the web page. To modify the default line setting, you can use following, that here you can see here HR size equals to 10, then after width equals to 50%, color equals to green. So your horizontal line display with the green color, align center, that line will display in a center. You can see that HR size 10, width 50%, color green, align center, and because of that the setting, when you run this when you display in a browser, it will display with the green color. Text formatting tags. HTML offers various text formatting tags which can be used to change the appearance of the text content added in the web page. These tags are font tag. By default, HTML documents uses Times New Roman typeface in a black color. Okay, so HTML offers font tag which can be used to make change in the text attribute like this. You can do changes in that. For changing typeface, the font tag can be used with the face attribute to change the default typeface to enclosed with font face equals to, then after font name, and then after whatever your text, enclose it with the / font tag. So it will change the type of the font face. So that text will be whatever the text on that you applied, the text will change with the change font. Whatever face you use, suppose Comic Sans font you use, then it will display with that. Okay, now next one is the changing font size. The text size in the HTML document can be changed using size attribute in the font tag like this. Font size equals to n and then text and then / font. So you can change that. Then changing the text color. This attribute with the body tag allows to change the color, and font color equals to color name. Here you can see in the figure. So that color will be, that text color you can change. Suppose you select maroon color, so your text will display with the maroon color. Now the next one is the body tag. Bold tag. Bold tag, you can give the bold face effect to emphasize the text by enclosing it between the B and /B tag. Suppose this is the bold face, it is written, you need to apply B and /B before and after it, so it will display in a bold. Next one is italic tag. To give italic effect on that, you need to use I tag before and after the text, so your text will display with little slanted. Okay, then next one is underline tag. So to highlight the important tags of your document, you can make use of U tag like this, U and /U, and then after in between you have to write a text, so your text will display with the underline. Okay, now the next one is center tag. The center tag is used to align the enclosed text or a object across the center or a horizontal on the web page. For that you need to write between here center, and then after whatever your text, so the text will display on the screen with the in the browser within the center, your browser center, and then all the tag you can apply together So your background color is yellow, and then after bold, italic, underline, and then whatever the text you write, here you write text formatting, so it is all applied on that text formatting only. So the above code will display the enclosed text centered across the web page with the bold, italic, underline effect. Hope you understand this chapter. To understand this chapter more detail, what you need to do, you need to use gedit at home, or if you have a Windows PC, you can do in Notepad also. So page number 93, hands-on computer is there. Then after on page number 98, activity based learning is there. So that, and with the hands-on computer on that page also, please try to solve it. Whatever written, same to same you have to write what in hands-on computer, and then save your file as we discuss ahead. And then after you can try to open it in a browser, so you can understand how this HTML tags are used. Okay, hope you understand this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.